How to replace the fan duct. Before you begin, remove the side panel, the optical drive if installed, the front bezel, and the hard disk drive. Note, you don't need to remove the hard disk drive from the drive cage. Removal. Detach the CPU power cable from the cable guide on the fan duct. Simultaneously push back the retaining tab on each side of the fan duct to release it. Pull the fan duct up and out of the unit. Replacement. Align the fan duct in its position over the fan on the motherboard. Insert the fan duct and press it down firmly until the tabs click into place over the edge of the heatsink. Route the CPU power cable through the cable guide on the fan duct.